let me to introduce to you si Mr. Hadi. He's a single from Iran, but from now he's from Australia for 15 years. So he tried to find someone to make her happy. So just talk to him. Agoy, dugo ilong. Go
I
ahead.
like to someone we make happy each other, not just make me happy. No, not one side, two side. We both make each other happy. I like that
Okay.
person.
Oh, dugo ilong mo? Oh.
Wala
Okay.
kasi, wala yung ano.
Anong wala yung ano?
Wala yung picture
Mr. Hadi. Do you like the
Yeah.
beauty of Darlene?
Do
She's
I
a
like
pretty
it,
girl.
sorry?
For you,
She
she's a
is.
pretty girl.
She is.
Oh, do you
I
think
like her
Darlene is yummy?
eyes. Like my eyes.
Ano, Darlene?
And how many kids do you have?
2.
Two. How old
Yeah.
is the oldest one?
Yung to niya.
17 and
2.
16.
Nanginginig eh.
No!
Yeah. I
Sige,
said
go.
Yeah, the 7 years, okay. And what is your favorite in your life? What is your goal in your life?
What?
What is your goal? What is your
Goal?
in your life?
Rich. To be rich.
Huh?
She want to become a rich person someday
Rich.
together with you.
Yeah. Work hard.
So, okay, you want to be rich. Okay. And can I ask more? Can I have more question or not? I cannot ask.
Okay.
Parang mo ducks ka ba? Kamo.
So how long?
Sir, what is your height? Height?
179. 5
179.
29.
Yeah.
Naku, nasa 5'9" ito. Day, tago sa pusod, labas sa likod.
6 foot and
Huh?
It's so very big, boy. Darlene,
What is?
talk to her. Talk to him. Go.
Okay.
do
Do you
you
have
have
any question?
children?
No, I never married.
Wife before? Do you have wife before?
Sorry.
She asked that if
Why?
you have
Wife.
No.
Oh. In your age, 39, you don't have wife or girlfriend before?
Girlfriend, yes. Girlfriend, yes, but it was the last time was 2 years ago.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. So, when was your last relationship, or how long you are been single?
Oh, my last boyfriend is 2022, but I have boyfriend last
No,
September.
the serious one. The serious relationship you've been.
Oh, 2022.
Okay. So what's happening?
Cheating.
Cheating. Okay.
Yeah.
cheating after eating.
Do you think because you've got? So do you think it's because you got he cheat on you? He did cheat on you. Yes. Do you think you can trust men more anymore or not really?
Not really.
It's very hard for you to trust the men. Yeah.
Yeah.
So do you think all the
Not-
men is the same?
What?
Sabi
Do you
niya,
think all?
para sa'yo lahat ba ng lalaki pare-parehas lang?
Oh,
Oo.
maybe.
Oo. Oy, are you here?
So she hasn't get trust back yet. So do you think you bring your past to your new life, to your new relationship?
No.
Ang hina ng boses niya. Ang hina ng boses niya. Di ko
Sir, can you say it
maano.
again?
Okay. Do you think will you bring your past happen in your
Past
last
happen.
relationship? Yeah, to your new relationship? Like,
Oh.
okay, for now you don't trust the man, and you will
Don't talk
start
past
checking
na.
men phones.
No,
Okay,
then absolutely not, because not all the man is the same. That's why you are here in this inside. Say like that. This is where I eat at.
what I keep.
Ang bait niya, no? Nakakausap niya yung Pinay.
That's my boss. The question. That's my
Oh,
boss.
Darlene, talk to her. Talk to him pala. Sorry. Go.
Hindi ka magkaintindihan.
Umakyat ka dito, gamparan mo yun.
He's very serious.
Okay.
He's not nervous because he cannot understand you.
In the English.
Yes, he's having a nervous. He cannot talk because he
Hey, Bumblebee.
cannot speak properly English.
Okay, for that. Okay. So do you want I speak your translated to Philippine? Tagalog? Yes.
Sir, do you like Darlene? Sir. Do you like Darlene?
She's pretty, yeah, but I hope she doesn't bring the past problem to the new relationship. As a psychologist, because I'm educated for psychologists. So sometimes I can understand some girls cannot forget about the past, and they bring
Past.
the
So long.
bad habit
Okay.
to new life. So that's why, yeah. But
Sabi
I love
niya,
to-
yung mga nakaraan mo ba, kumbaga in short, hindi mo ba nakalimutan yung mga nakaraan mo? Kapag nagka-boyfriend ka ba, dinadala mo pa ba o binabalik-balik mo ba yung mga nakaraan mo? Kumbaga,
No.
oh, no. Sir Hadi, she said she forget her the past relationship that
Yeah, it's
she
so
have.
long. I don't remember
Okay.
that.
Yeah. So does she has any article, like does she has any act in her life, like
What?
Oh, what ka dyan?
Ano? Ano?
okay? So what actually she doing, like what's her job, kind of like this?
What is my job?
Yeah.
Oh, salon assistant.
Sorry.
Salon. Assistant.
Yeah.
Oh, salon, hair salon.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
She work
beautiful.
at beauty
Beautiful.
salon.
Renan.
Ah, nice, beautiful. I like it.
Yeah.
So more, I don't know how we can have a connection more. What we have to do?
Ano?
So, paano kayo magkakaroon ng koneksyon? Sabi niya. So, all you need to do is to follow Mr. Hadi.
Yeah.
And Mr. Hadi, just follow back Miss Darlene. And after that, no, just communicate,
I don't
both
have
of you.
the
Give your
I'm
WhatsApp.
using, I'm using Warai Kikai. I don't have a TikTok, or I'm not very social media.
What's
Do you have
up?
a WhatsApp? WhatsApp. Okay. So, after this, Mr. Hadi just message Miss Darlene here in TikTok. And after that, Miss Darlene just take the number of WhatsApp of Mr. Hadi.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. We can follow her, and after that we can pass to Hadi your contact number on WhatsApp. Okay. So it's gonna follow you after the live.
Doon na kayo magdugo-duguan ng ilong. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Pag hindi kaya, Darlene, buksan mo na lang yung bao. Ito na lang, oh.
So we will connect you.
Pag hindi kaya, ipakita mo na lang yung mahiwagang bao mo. Ito na lang kausapin mo.
Or go down. Oh,
Okay.
The kids are the kids living with her or with the father?
with my boss.
No.
No. The kids.
Sabi niya,
your
Darlene,
kids.
yung mga anak mo nasa iyo ba o nasa parents mo,
With
sa
my-
mother mo?
My in-laws. My in-laws.
Oh, Mr. Hadi.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Just follow Miss Darlene. After that, you need to message Miss Darlene and just take the number of her WhatsApp. Okay?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much for being here in my live. It's my
Thank you
pleasure.
so much. Yeah, for sure. Thank you.
Okay. Oh, Darlene,
Sweet
Wait
Pulse.
lang.
Thank you.
ano gusto mo? Tissue o wipes?
With wipes.
Nose
With
bleeding.
wipes.
Thank you so much for letting me be in your life.
Thank you so much. Yes, Mr. Hadi.
Yeah. I'll talk
Thank you,
to
thank you.
Okay, bye.
Okay.
It's cool.
Bye. Bye.
Saan ka, sir?
Taga Mindanao
I'm
ko.
sorry.
Taga
Asa ka sa Mindanao?
Jensan pero diri ko sa Manila karon. Diri ko
Tagalog,
go-work.
Tagalog.
Dito ko na work.
Okay. Anong gusto mo sa babae?
Wala akong
Yung
idea.
maldita.
Wala akong idea sa mga gusto ko sa babae. Gusto ko simple lang.
Basta kung ano lang ang mapunta sa'yo, ganun lang.
Oh, Lods, ganun lang.
Ano ba simple
Ganyan
yung
ang
hanap
tubong,
mo?
ano?
Yung hindi brush, hindi nagsusuklay, hindi nagbibihis, hindi naliligo. Yun ang simple hanap mo.
Pwede na rin yun.
Bakit ma'am? Baho. Delikado yan, Daddy Shark. Ba't mukhang ganyan yung mga sinabi niya?
Brutal ba, Lods? Brutal ang sinasabi niya.
Gusto niya kasi simple. Yung hindi nagtutoothbrush.
Hindi, dapat din, pwede rin mag-touch everyday. Yung simpleng babae lang, gaya mo. Simple lang. Yan lang.
Ilang taon ka na?
Yun na. Baka hindi mo kaya.
Pag kita niyo pinag-usapan, yun na.
Isumbong mo
Ilang
na
taon
lang.
ka na?
Baka hindi mo kayanin eh.
Hindi. Okay, ako magpapakilala kay Daddy Shark. Faith. Daddy Shark is my friend. So, nag-meet namin in person, nagkasama na kami. So, edad niya is nasa 50. 50 na siya. 50 years old. Pero tignan mo pa rin, di ba? Kung paano siya gumalaw, paano siya
35 to
magsalita.
60.
Kaya nga, pasok nga eh. Kaya
Yes,
boto ako.
parang 20.
Ma'am Pate, ano sabi mo, Ma'am Pate? Ano sabi mo? Bago lang? Parang 20?
Parang kapang 20. Yes.
Pero
Ang
tama
gwapo
yung
mo
sinabi,
pa din.
tama yung sinabi ni Lods, 50 plus.
Okay.
Kasi na-meet ko na yan eh. Pogi yan in person.
Nakita mo yan, yung logo niya, parehas kami. Nagkanta ako ng meet and greet thank you Sarina, last November 2025 sa
Then,
Mandaluyong. Nag-meet na kami niya ni Daddy Shark. Nakita ko na siya in person.
24
So,
Lods, 2024.
kapag sa personal, hindi mo siya masasabing 50 years old. Nalagaan niya yung katawan niya.
ano?
Nasa 40s, ganun.
Masasabing ano? Okay.
Hindi ba?
Okay lang
Kasi,
yan, yung ex ko
yung-
nga.
yung-
6 na.
ano ma'am?
Okay lang yan.
Yung ex mo ano?
66.
Grabe yung mga panlasa mo, no? Kakaiba.
Yung ex ko.
Baka hindi totoo yung
Ikaw
mga
nagpapatunay,
sinasabi
ma'am.
niya,
Ikaw yung bumubuhay si salitang age doesn't matter. Oo.
Yes.
Tama.
Totoo naman yun. Ano, sobrang gwapo niya
Like use
kasi
ito, Daddy Shark.
matanda na.
Ganun ba?
Pero walay na kami. Tagal
Parang
na.
na-speechless.
Last year.
Ilang taon kayo magkasama nun, Faith?
Sa isang taon, isang beses lang siya pupunta dito. 1 month.
Oh, sa 1 month na yun, nakakailan kayo?
Isa. Isa lang.
Ganun.
Sa isang beses natatapos ba?
Ha?
Lods,
Ha?
mawa ka sa akin, Lods.
Yung isang beses na yun natatapos ba?
Oo.
Aray ko.
Delikado, Lods. Delikado. Ay, ako dito. Delikado.
Ay, grabe yung schedule mo. 1 month. 1 times in 1 month.
Tagal pa matapos.
Ma'am Pate, excuse Lord. Ma'am Pate, saan po kayo?
Yung isa kong ex na Pilipino, 3 kadyot lang, okay na.
Ma'am Pate, tanong ko lang. Ma'am Pate, tanong ko lang po. Taga saan po kayo, Ma'am Pate? Hindi ko alam eh. Taga saan ka, Ma'am Pate? Ma'am Pate, excuse me.
Hindi, single ako, single no, not married.
Hindi, Ma'am Pate, taga saan po kayo?
Mindanao,
Saan sa Mindanao?
Dumaguete City.
Oh, Dumaguete City.
Tapos
Yan.
Dumaguete City.
Visayas din eh.
Kontaron. Pinito ko ni Pongkok. Mindanao tapos Dumaguete.
Hindi, yung totoo, Ma'am Pate. Yung totoo po. Totoo ba? Yung honest naman, huwag naman masyura na rin. Kasi dami tao. 1.7 people. Paano na kayo pag dumating sa blow-ups? Sino mo payayan? Ikaw. To be honest, girl.
Daddy Shark, ayusin mo yung camera mo kasi against the light ka. Mamaya mo, mamaalam ka na, hindi ka talaga makakaisa.
Taga Dipolog City, Dipolog.
Basic.
Dipolog.
Lapit lang
Yes.
yan. Punta ko na yan eh. May friend ako yan nung dati na may-ari ng Lilian Express bus line. Kaibigan ko may-ari nung namatay nun.
Di ko kilala yan.
Okay.
Ah,
So,
okay.
ma'am, okay lang si
Ay,
Daddy
sir.
Shark. So, 50 years old.
Okay na yan. Kaya pa naman.
Oo naman, sinabi mo kanina, 60 plus. Tatlong
Kung
kadyot.
hindi kaya ng ulo-ulo, himas-himas na lang. Bala lang, basta at least may girlfriend, may boyfriend. Survive. Di ba?
Di ba, kunin ko yung Facebook account, baka March magbakasyon ako sa Mindanao.
Oy, madam.
Wala ako sa iyo. Pwede yun.
I-follow mo lang ako dito sa TikTok kasi yung Facebook ko, 0 follower.
Sinabi ko na eh.
Oo.
Totoo naman
Ano
na
yun,
0
sir?
follower.
Zero follower. Mag-ingat ka, ha?
Sinabi. Lods, baka may scam na naman ako dito, Lods. Sawang-sawa. Sawang-sawa na ako, Lods ba? Sawang-sawa rin ako, Lods. Sawang-sawa na ako. Mampe,
Oo.
sana...
Pag nakita
wag
mo yung Facebook, pag nakita mo yung Facebook, yung parang nakalurat, puting-puti, magtaka ka na. Pag walang profile, ingat ka to, ha?
Na-block niya ako, Lods, pag ganun, puting-puti.
I-follow
Hindi.
mo ako
Kung
dito
nakita-
ba? Daddy.
Hi, Faith. Faith.
Yes, Daddy.
Wait.
Follow mo ako.
Faith.
Tapos na.
Oh.
Faith. Pag naubos yung mga
yes.
senior citizen dito, ikaw yung may kasalanan, ha? Tirador ka ng senior citizen. Hindi. Hindi, iba-iba tayo ng paniniwala, guys eh. Hindi totoo, meron talaga ganyan. Kagabi nakita nyo, may 22 years old, yung asawa niya is 30 plus. So, meron din kasing ganyan na nangyayari kay Faith na kasi hindi na, bago siya kasi pumasok sa ganyan, may mga dahilan yan. Bakit ayaw niya sa mga ka-age namin na 30s?
Nag-EML ka
Oh.
ba? Hindi?
Hindi. Wala akong bisyo.
Okay yan.
Pwede,
Shark ba pangalan mo?
Po?
Anong pangalan mo, Shark?
Daddy
Shark
Shark.
kasi matalim.
Or
Ano?
sa Facebook ko, El Marcho. El Marcho. Follow me.
Magaling ka pala, lumangoy.
Hindi naman. Pero sa walang tubig, pagaling ako lumangoy. Pero sa may tubig, hindi masyado.
Okay yan.
Baka okay.
Langoy lang usapan ha, langoy lang. Langoy lang. Hindi na susubra doon.
Pero one page, napalo
Gusto ko mapagod eh.
Hindi niya lumangoy sa walang tubig.
Pero pag hindi mo matupad yan, Ma'am Page, isumbong talaga kita kay Ludi na isa kang scammer.
Huwag mo naman takutin, Daddy Shark. Tinatakot mo eh. Kalma lang ba?
Sige, takutin mo ako.
Di, Lods,
Hindi.
ilang akyat na ako dito sa iyo. Ilang akyat na ako dito sa iyo ba? Puro scam.
Oo. Pinapaasa ka lang.
Pinapaasa lang.
Sige. Kapag hindi ka sinagot nito, sabihin mo sa akin, ako yung gaganti para sa'yo.
O, abuli
Tsaka kung ano man
Lods,
ang mangyari sa aming dalawa, kwento ko na lang sa'yo. Hindi kaya mas lalo sasama yung loob mo.
Thank you, Ma'am Faith. Thank you.
Okay naman, Faith.
Sana.
Okay ba si Daddy Shark? Paano ko yung chat niya, re-replyin mo siya?
Yes.
Sige.
Yeah.
Ay, thank you, Daddy Shark. Go and go lang.
Okay,
Hindi siya
Lods.
maging
Thank you,
successful,
Salamat.
Ma'am Faith,
follow,
maraming salamat.
Daddy Shark.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Sige,
Thank you.
ma'am. Bait naman ni Faith, oh.
Okay.
Sige. Sir Moonlight,
Tol Moonlight.
what yung guest dito?
Oo, Tol.
Lagi ka ba sa live ko, Daddy Shark? Gawin kitang moderator sa live ko.
Taga ano mo dito? Lagi ako dito. Dito ako Lods lagi.
Wala na naman ako signal. Diyan na lang ka matulog, ha? Pwede ba kayo siguro
Lagi ako
bumaba,
Lods.
dalawa, no?
Ayaw. Tol Moonlight, ibaba mo na kami.
Ano, ma'am?
Pababain mo na ako.
Dito ka matulog?
Papatulogin ko muna itong isa.
Lalo ko na.
Dedikado, Daddy Shark. Baka may mangyari.
Ang sweet naman ni Lods, ang sweet naman ni Ma'am Faith. Yan ang mga gusto sa
Oh.
mga babae.
Yes,
Kaya
hindi
nga,
ka talaga
papatulogin ka niya. Ang problema, Daddy Shark, 3 tayo dito. Paano kung makatulog ka? Tapos gising kami dalawa.
Hindi ko alam Lods ano nangyari. Kasi tulog ako eh. Pero Ma'am Faith, thank you talaga na ano ako yung tawag niya.
Thank you. Na ano?
Na starstruck.
Masaya ka?
Hindi naman. Hindi sa
Starstruck
masaya tao. Oo. Gulat kay gusto mo yung mga hot daddy. Pero hindi pa ako daddy. I'm single talaga. Wala ko anak, wala asawa.
Oo. Na-starstruck daw siya, Ma'am Faith.
Gusto mo ng anak?
Kung pwede, pagbigyan kita.
No, ayaw ko na.
Ako na, loko na. Paano? Ko, ikaw may anak ko. Wala.
Yung isang anak, okay na yun sa akin. Wala na. May isa na akong anak. Ayaw ko na.
Pwede na rin yun.
Masakit
Ito
daw.
na lang ang gabi.
Okay na rin yun.
Masakit daw, Daddy Shark.
Okay na
eh.
lang.
Para may anak na rin.
Naiinat. Madam Faith, may starstruck daw siya sa'yo,
Oh.
kaya pagbigyan mo na. Mamili ka, may starstruck siya o may stroke siya. Hindi. Daddy Shark, thank you ha. Ingat.
Thank you, Lods. Thank you.
Mm-mm.
Ma'am Faith,
Ma'am,
thank you.
thank you, ma'am ha.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank
Ayun yung bumaba, guys.
Ito pa ako, di ako marunong mag-ano.
Kunwari ka pa. Di ka marunong bumaba?
Baba mo ako, di ako marunong. Ano ba? Leave? Wait lang.
You can live without me?
Can I?